Hello everyone, SelvinJokerClone for box 2. I went ahead and opened up everything so we can take a look at promos and get through this a little bit faster than last time. So we got 2 power tools in the promos, 2 armory arms, 2 Dragoonity Guisarme, and 2 of the Armed Dragon, the Armored Dragons. There's promos. Now, we got two dice that we didn't get in the last box, and this is a Ally of Justice, and we got a Kuriboh dice. So if anyone's got one of each of these they want to give away, I need one of each of these, and I've got 2 of all the other ones. All right, so let's go ahead and set these back, and let's get going. All right, we're going to go through this one faster than the last box. Mistwurm, Red Eyes, Fabled Grimrow, and an enemy controller. I don't know what I'm reaching for. No, Fabled Diff. Okay. Alright, let's see. Night Assailant, Duloran, and Naturia Cherries for the Ultras, and Ally Justice Unlimiter. This will be the end of me buying this product. I try not to buy too much of one product. Let's see. Night Assailant, Dark Paladin, Fabled Grimrow, Fabled Valkyrus. I went back and looked through all my commons. I only pulled 1 Waboku out of that entire display box. Maybe I should be looking through these as well, just to be sure. There's a Stratos, Barrel Dragon, Red Eyes, Gongnir, Naturia Mantis. Alright, Barkion, Red Eyes again, Decisive Armor, and Naturia Ladybug. Let's see, there we go. Dragoonity Knight, Guybulg. Another skill drain. Wonderful. Brionac, Dragoonity Pilum. Alright, Mistwurm, Red Eyes, Exterio, and Sacred Spirit of the Ice Barrier. Night Assailant, Decisive Armor, Dragoonity Ducks, and Naturia Fruit Fly. And a common one right behind it. Look at that. There's a Waboku that I'm going to keep. Alright. Mist Valley Apex Avian. Ooh, a second skill drain. Polymerization. And Naturia Vein. Good. This box has been a little bit more worth it, because I only got 1, the last one. Let's see if we can keep going. Maybe get a 3rd one. That would be nice. But so far we got a play set given the first video. Mistwurm, Red Eyes, Naturia Beast, Dragoonity Corseska, ooh, these are a little beat up, aren't they? Look at that. Well, none of the hollows are messed up. Oh, good. We missed it just by a bit. Alright, Fabled Reagan. Ooh, a Cyber Dragon. Keeping that. Trishula. Who's the last beat up one? Fabled Chawa. Okay, let's see. What's next? Book of Moon, Grimro, Exterio, and a common Wrath of Neos. Apex Avian, Lava Golem, Gungnir, Fabled Valkyrus. 3 more packs. Wabaku, Ray, Fabled Reagan, or Ragin, Blue Eyes, Cherries, and White Oak. Lemon has decided to have a meltdown again. 2 more packs, and I'll go see what's up with him tonight. Alright. Talk about Red Eyes Galore, Night Assailant. Awesome! My 3rd skill drain. That makes a total of 4 I have pulled from this set. I am very happy. They make great trades. I don't use it. We'll get on the last pack. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Dark Magician, Polymerization, Naturia Beast, and Dragoonity Militum. And that is it. Now, everybody, hope you enjoyed this opening. I will see you in the next one.